Hello everyone, this is Rupa and welcome back to my channel Let's Learn with Rupa. Apart from educational videos, I am always interested to share the useful information which I know about mobile applications and softwares. So today I am going to share you how to download Voter ID in Android mobiles. Previously, the voter never had the convenience of downloading Voter ID through mobiles. But nowadays, there is a single stop solution for voters in all over India, and that is Voter Helpline application in Play Store. And by the way, genuinely I am informing you that from this application you will only get a computer generated voter ID information, but not like original voter ID. As we can see, there are much more videos in YouTube with fake thumbnails edited with original voter ID. But I don't want to mislead my viewers with fake thumbnails. Previously, through this app, I downloaded my voter ID along with photo, but that feature is not available after the updation of this application. And let's see how to use this Voter Helpline application in mobile. First of all, you just need to download Voter Helpline application from Play Store. Open the Play Store app and type Voter Helpline. And immediately you will get this application with the logo pointing finger. Just download it and make sure that you are downloading the correct one, as there are more related applications in Play Store. Once it is downloaded, just open it. And you will get an interface like this. Read the disclaimer carefully, select I agree and click on next button. Before getting into this app, you need to register in it. So click on new user. Enter your mobile number here, so that they send an OTP to this number, and click on send OTP. I got my OTP and I am entering here. After entering one-time password, your account will be verified within seconds. So now you have to fill the particulars given below, like email, EPIC number and password. Well, EPIC number is commonly known to all of us except the term EPIC. It's just your voter card number, and you can see this EPIC number on the top of voter ID. For example, this is my EPIC number. After entering your email ID, just enter your EPIC number here. I'm entering my EPIC number. Now we came to crucial part, that is creating a password. Many viewers may confuse while creating a password, and of course I too confused in the beginning. So let me tell you clearly. You can also see the guidelines below. First one, password must be at least 6 characters long, which means in your password you must include at least 6 letters. And second one, password must have at least one digit, which means you must have to include at least one number from 0 to 9. Third one, password must have at least one special character, means you must have to include at least one special character like hash, dot, comma, etc. And the last one, password must have at least one uppercase, which means you must have to include at least one capital letter at last. For example, my name is Priyanka and let me follow the first rule, that is including at least 6 letters, and make sure that all are small letters. So I have typed my name in small letters and I got 8 letters. Now the second rule, so I am adding number 6 after my name. Now the third rule, so I am adding hash after the number 6. And the final rule, So I'm including a capital letter, that is capital K. So finally my password is ready with 6 small letters, 1 number, 1 special character and 1 capital letter. That is Priyanka 6 capital K. Most of the people are confusing in creating a password to this account, so that's why I explained in detail. I have entered my password for 2 times and make sure that you enter the same password for 2 times. After entering your passwords, you just need to click on submit button. And successfully we created an account in this application. Now click on the search icon. You will get these 3 options like search by barcode, search by details and search by epic number. Search by barcode means you just have to scan your barcode which is available on your voter ID. Search by details means you just have to enter your details like name, age, gender, etc. But I think these 2 options may not work, but the third option, search by epic number, works 100%. So I'm gonna use the third option, that is search by epic number. And now we need to enter our epic number here. After entering your epic number, just click on search button. After that, immediately your voter ID information will appear on your mobile screen. As you can see here, like my epic number, age, gender, father or husband's name, assembly constituency, blah blah blah. And here is the download button. By clicking on this, your voter ID information will be downloaded into your mobile directly. As you can see, I downloaded my voter ID information. This voter ID information picture can be used as a personal identity proof. Actually, I had also used this voter ID when I bought my two-wheeler and a mobile recently because I lost my original. But in some cases, this is not acceptable as a proof because it is computerized information. And by the way, that is the only reason to make this video. It would help those people who lost originals like me. Hope this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel Let's Learn with Rupa.